What you'll need for all these constructions is a ruler, a pencil, and a compass. Let's get started. Okay, in order to bisect a line, we first of all have to have a line. Draw a line segment. I'm going to try and chop that line in half. Here's how we do it. Grab the compass. We set the radius of the compass so that it is over halfway. There's about halfway. Extend it a little further so it's over halfway. Draw one. Move the corner point of the compass to the other end of the line, and again, draw an arc all the way around. You'll see the pattern that we've made. If I grab the ruler then, and connect where the 2 points of the arc intersect, right the way through there, we have successfully cut the original line into 2 segments, this part being equal to that part there. Thus we have successfully bisected the line. Okay, we're about to bisect an angle. First step, let's make an angle which we can bisect. Here are the 2 rays. Ray number 1, ray number 2. They don't have to be of equal length. I'm going to attempt to bisect this angle. Again, I'm going to be using the compass as the primary tool. Set it to a reasonable sized arc. And we mark off 2 arcs on each ray of the angle, like so. Then where those arcs intersect the rays, we put the pivot point, the sharp point of the compass, mark 1 arc out between the middle of the angle. Again, point of the compass on the other ray, mark an arc in the middle, and find where the 2 arcs intersect over here. I'm simply going to connect now using the ruler and the pencil from the vertex of the angle all the way through to where those 2 arcs intersect. And there we have it. This angle has been successfully divided into 2 equal sized angles. Thus we have bisected the angle. We're now going to proceed to construct a right angle upon a line segment. Step number 1, we need a line. Let's choose a point at which we're going to make a right angle. Next step is to grab the compass, set it to a reasonable size radius, and using the center point, we're going to mark off 2 arcs along the straight line. 1 to the left and 1 to the right. There we have our 2 arcs. I need to increase the radius, increase the degree of angle of the compass, put the point there where one of the arcs intersects, draw a large arc above the line, put the compass point to the left, and again draw the same sized arc. If we now connect the original point on the line where the 2 arcs intersect above, look what we have. We have successfully made a right angle at this point on the original line. Well done. This next construction, making a 60-degree angle, is one of the simplest ones we can do. Again, we'll start with a straight line. Nominate a point at which we want to make the 60-degree angle. Simply grab our compass and we draw a large semicircular arc around the outside. The next step, using the same radius of compass, find out where that arc intersected the straight line, mark off another small arc at the top, and we connect the original point with where those 2 arcs intersect. And we've successfully made, down here, a 60-degree angle. Making a hexagon. Beautiful, simple construction. Very easy to do. Make a reasonable sized circle using our compass. Mark off one point on the outside edge. Then, keeping the same radius, we simply mark off arcs around the outside of the circle along the circumference. One to the top, one to the bottom. Find where that small arc intersects the circumference, draw another arc. Again, place the compass point there, draw another arc. You can work our way around any direction around the circle. If I go back down to the bottom, put the compass point there, mark off an arc. If you count the number of points we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if I connect all those with straight lines, then I've formed my hexagon. Let's do that. Those outside construction lines, the circle and the arcs, they can be removed if you so wish. But of course, for the purpose of examinations, leave those lines in to make it clear to the person who's doing the marking exactly what process you used to finish your construction. And there we have our hexagon, our regular six-sided flat shape.